Welcome to the quick tutorial of PVAPins.com. PVAPins is a platform where you can buy or rent any country's phone number for verify any app. First we have to go PVAPins.com and click the sign up button. If you have already an account, then simply log in your account, if not just register new account button. Fill the box with proper information and tap the create account button. After sign up successfully, we will see the interface like this. For purchase or rent any number, we have to recharge this account. The process is very easy, just hover on top up option and select recharge your account. All available payment methods are shown here based on country. Select any of them and made a successful recharge. After a successful payment, the amount will add our account and will be shown here. Now we are ready to purchase number here. Today, we will learn how to verify a Alignable account with a virtual phone number via PVAPins. First we have to visit alignable.com. Entering the site, we see this interface. Now click on the Join Now button. To create a Alignable account, we need a phone number. Now return to PVAPins and search here any country. Select the country. Type Alignable in the search box. We will see some available number with purchase cost. Select any number and wait a little bit. A phone number of selected country will be shown here. Take this number and use it to open Alignable account. If it needed verification, don't worry, the verification code will be shown here. Take this code and finish the verification procedure. You are almost done. Let's enjoy your journey with PVAPins. Stay tuned for more updates.